Dimensional analysis is most useful when converting between different units or systems because it tracks units through calculations to ensure the answer has the correct units and scale. Dimensional analysis works like a unit detective that follows the labels on numbers to make sure everything fits together. You write down the quantity you have, then multiply by conversion factors that cancel the old units and introduce the new ones, keeping track of numerators and denominators so units cancel correctly. If you want to go from meters to centimeters, you multiply by a conversion factor that equals 1 because the two numbers represent the same length, just in different units. Doing the cancellations step by step prevents mistakes from hidden powers or misplaced decimals and shows when your setup is wrong because the units will not reduce to what you expect. Students often forget to write units with every number and then lose track of what cancels. So always include units on every line to avoid confusion. Another common mistake is using conversion factors with the wrong power. For example, converting square meters to square centimeters by only multiplying by the linear conversion once. So remember to square the conversion factor for area and cube it for volume. A final error is rounding too early, which can give incorrect results. Keep full precision through the calculation and round only the final answer. For more videos and resources about using dimensional analysis correctly, visit www.gumballdegree.com.